Hello, friends. Hello, this is Jackson. As you welcome to Positive Mind channel. Where this is a channel where where I share my knowledge, where I share my experience, where I share my analysis of different pairs, the challenges in forex trading, and how you can overcome them. But mainly in ICT or smart money concept. Yeah, otherwise, this is a new year, 2026. This year, we expect more things, more success, more wins, and also losses in forex because they cannot be avoidable. Yeah, so expect also losses because in trading, you cannot avoid the losses. That's a fact, and that's a matter of fact, really. If you're a trader, always expect losses and the profits, but mainly you have to make sure that your profits must be bigger than the losses. Yeah, for you to succeed in this market, because with forex main point it has to be risk management. When you manage your risk, it means you are saving your capital, and if you are saving your capital, it means you are staying long in the market. But if you cannot save the capital and you over risk, it means you'll be in and out, and which is not good. To be in and out from the market, at least stay consistent in the market, even when you're making little money, but at least you are in the market. The more time we show, the more time you show yourself in the market, the more knowledge you get, the more skill you gain. Yeah, so let us keep showing up on charts, though things are not easy. Yeah, so whoever tells that forex trading is easy is a liar. Forex trading is not easy, but forex trading becomes easy the moment you become consistent in the market. The moment you stay showing up in the market on the charts. Yeah, until that day when you win. Yeah, there's no one, even every business, a business succeed needs time, needs patience, needs capital, needs everything of a person for that business to sell on. So also forex trading is a business. Yeah, so what I can say, just keep showing up on the charts. Keep showing up on the charts, and actually don't not forget to share, like, and comment mostly, and also subscribing on this channel so that you can give me more energy and power I can, so that I can get more work for you to bring here. Yeah, I can make some researches, so I can go and learn and bring here. So we learn from here, because in forex we learn from each other. Yeah, that's the main point in the forex. It is learning about learning. Yeah, so learning in forex has never ended, because new things are coming, new strategies. But most of the thing, you have to stick on your strategy. I am just using um, smart money concept, or ICT. Yeah, so let's learn together, let's grow together. This is a community that one day it will become a big community. Yeah, but let us begin together and we grow together. Yeah, so today I've come to today is a new year. I've come my the first analysis in 2026 on Gbpusd. Yeah, that is the chart that today I'm going to be talking about, how I got my analysis this chart. And actually, finally, my demand zone was tapped in. Yeah, so when my demand zone was tapped in, and the market started really going up. Yeah, but I did this analysis, took me like some days. Yeah, because it was, I think, in December. I analyzed at the beginning of this week. Yeah, but this zone was hit, I think, on Thursday. On Wednesday, that's when it was hit. So let us pass through, and I show you where I got from what time frame I started on analyzing the charts, and which time frame did I get my zone. Yeah. Okay, let's go through. Thank you. So I come here to the weekly chart. So when I come here on my weekly chart, yeah, you can see This is a weekly chart. uh, don't this one, the way I say it means I was drawing this. I was drawing these ones, but these ones, because they were verified, I didn't consider them. So this was my first take profit. This is my first take profit. This is my final take profit. So after there, I will come to my uh, daily time frame. Daily time frame. So when I come to daily time frame, also I got this zone. You check it. This one I got it actually on day time frame. This is where I got, because in other time frames I checked in other time frames I could not get a good, because I want to get a demand zone which is strong. And if you see, it hit in my demand zone, it started moving up. Yeah, started moving up. This was a demand zone, which is a daily demand zone, which is a very strong zone. Tapped in and started moving up immediately. So, but I moved on because I have to check what other time frames could I get any zone in other time frames. Let me go. Then I had to go no 4 hour time frame. So before I leave this zone, this time frame, you see where I got there was this break of structure, moved up. You see break of structure, moved up. Because here it was a zone, which this one may be 4 hour time zone, 4 hour time frame. So that's where I got this zone. Yeah, and also you can see this zone also, this break of structure BOC, this BOC, this BOC. So then I will now let us go in more in lower time frame again in 4 hour. If we put our 4 hour, uh, 4 hour, uh, as remember this we got it from 4 from a daily time frame, but you can see even in 4 hour, because in trading with this we're using ICT, even you can get your zone what is in consolidations. So because one factor, things that make a demand zone a supply zone to be a good supply, there must be consolidations. Yeah, consolidation. The market must be consolidating from that place. So you can see there is a consolidation there. If you can see my chart very well, even you can see in the 4 hours, so there is this zone also, but it was very fast, so that's why I didn't consider it. Also here, there was also another zone. Also, you can see this consolidation, but this market almost tapped in, but it didn't tap in. It didn't tap in. So I didn't consider these ones, but I just, because I saw them, I just left them there. So so the market came and tapped in here and moved up. This is a 4 hour candlestick. This is a very long week, which means the market must push up, whether it wants or not, but it will push up and has to hit on my take profit. If you can see very well, if I can enlarge my chart, you can see it, how this week, how it tapped in immediately, it pushed up in a 4 hour time frame. So, but I always make my entries on 1 hour. I always make my entries on 1 hour. So this is 1 hour. I always stop there because I want a big time frame that will give me something which is cannot be easily manipulated or easily manipulated. So you can see all this consolidation. This is in 1 hour, because all this, because in 1 hour you cannot get any zone here, but you can see all these consolidations. eh? So, but all this is, well, almost how many hours are inside here? But it was all considerations. But with this demand zone, I got it because on daily time frame it was showing a good demand zone. That's why I decided to take it from a daily. Yeah, but sometimes always one to get the zones from 1 hour if the zone is clear. But on a 1 hour, the zone you can see it is not clear. It is only consideration. But when you go on daily, The zone was very clear. So that's why I decided to take it on 4 hour. I mean on daily. So this is my final take profit. Yeah, I remember the market does not go straight. So the market even may come again here, again, then it will continue moving up. Also, there's if the market now retraces, so again you can come and make an entry, your entry from here. If the market has left you, because also it left for us here a zone. If you can see, there's a zone here. Yeah, there's a zone here. If you can see very well here, there's a zone. Yeah, there's a zone. Mm. So, so when I come now a day where I got my time frame here, daily, because that's where I got my zone, which was a very clear zone. This is it. So now that's how the market so far is pushing up. Yeah, just waiting to hit my take profit. If I hit my first take profit, I can exit from there. That will be enough for me. Mm. So, but patience in the market, that is a very big thing. So with that, I wish you a happy new year, prosperous new year, a year of success in trading. Just stay patient, stay showing up. We shall win the market. Yeah, I sound out.